We're Alaska Weathervane Seafoods, and we're owned by the fishing boats, and our job is to market the scallops that are caught by the boats all across the state, and we bring them in and often take them to seafood festivals and set up tents and booths, and we've been doing it for about 10 years. And this way we get to meet a lot of chefs and do a lot of marketing. Now we're graduating to having our own food truck where hopefully we can reach a lot more consumers and educate people about how fantastic Alaska Weathervane scallops are.
We offer our pan-seared Alaska Weathervane scallops 5 different ways. You can have them on rice pilaf with your choice of marsala mushroom, red curry, or basil pesto. Then there's our scalorito, which is a scallop and bacon taco with a pesto coleslaw. It's really good. And then our gluten-free option is the scallid, which is basically the scalorito without the tortilla.